What if you could retire in your 40s or even 30s? Imagine waking up without an alarm, having the freedom to travel, spend time with family, or pursue your passions without worrying about money. This isn't just a dream. Thousands of people are achieving it using the FIRE method to retire early. In this video, I'll break down exactly how the FIRE movement works, the 4 essential steps to achieving financial independence, and the biggest mistakes to avoid. And don't miss the end, because I'll share the best investment options for 2025 in my next video, so you know where to put your money to retire early. The FIRE movement is a financial strategy that allows you to build wealth aggressively so you can retire decades earlier than the average person. You save and invest 50 to 70% of your income instead of the typical 10 to 15%. You create multiple streams of income to accelerate wealth building. Once your investments generate enough passive income to cover your living expenses, you're financially free. Most people fail because they don't follow the right strategy. Let's make sure you don't. Number 1, define your FIRE number. To retire early, you need to know how much money you actually need. Annual expenses into 25 is equal to your FIRE number. If you spend $40,000 per year, you need $1 million invested to retire. This is based on the 4% rule, meaning you can safely withdraw 4% per year without running out of money. Where most people go wrong, they underestimate their expenses. Let's fix that. Number 2, cut expenses and increase savings rate. FIRE isn't just about making more money, it's about keeping more of it. To retire early, you need a 50 to 70% savings rate. How? Housing, downsize or house hack, rent out part of your home. Transportation, drive a reliable used car instead of a luxury vehicle. Lifestyle, cut impulse spending and focus on what truly matters. If you think saving 50% is impossible, just remember there are people living off 90% of their income in expensive cities. It's all about priorities. Number 3, invest aggressively. Saving alone won't get you to early retirement. You need to invest wisely so your money grows exponentially. Best investment options for FIRE: index funds. Low cost, diversified, and proven to grow long term. Real estate rental properties generate passive income. Dividend stocks pay you passive income regularly. You don't need millions in cash, you need cash flow. Let me explain. Number 4, build passive income streams. The fastest way to retire early: create multiple income streams. Start a side business or freelance. Buy assets that pay you monthly, like rental properties or dividend stocks. Use the snowball effect to reinvest profits into more income-generating assets. If you rely only on your 9-to-5 job, you're playing the slow game. Smart investors make money while they sleep. Many people fail at FIRE because they make these mistakes, not starting early. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. Investing too conservatively. Keeping all your money in a savings account won't cut it. Lifestyle inflation. Upgrading your lifestyle every time you get a raise delays your retirement. So how do you avoid these mistakes and speed up your FIRE journey? That's where smart investing comes in. To make FIRE work, your money needs to work for you. The average stock market return is 8 to 10% per year. Real estate investments can provide 5 to 15% cash flow annually. By putting your money in high-growth assets, you shorten the time needed to reach financial independence. But which investments are best for 2025? That's exactly what I'll cover in my next video. Now that you know how to retire early with the FIRE method, it's time to take the next step, choosing the right investments. In my next video, Top Investment Options for 2025, I'll break down the safest and highest return investments to help you grow wealth faster. Click the video on your screen now and take control of your financial future. Don't work for money. Make money work for you.